Freely Travel Insurance Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Freely Travel Insurance, an innovative travel insurance provider designed to offer comprehensive coverage for digital nomads, remote workers, and frequent travelers. Links to the product are available in the description below. Freely Travel Insurance stands out by providing tailored travel coverage that focuses on the needs of modern travelers who are constantly on the move. One of the standout features of Freely Travel Insurance is its flexibility. Unlike traditional travel insurance, Freely allows you to choose the exact coverage you need, whether you're looking for medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost baggage, or even coverage for work-related travel disruptions. This makes it an ideal option for digital nomads who require a customized plan that adapts to their ever-changing travel schedule. Another key benefit of Freely is its global coverage. The insurance plan offers protection in more than 100 countries, ensuring that you're covered no matter where your travels take you. Whether you're exploring new destinations for leisure or working remotely from a foreign country, Freely ensures that you have peace of mind with reliable coverage wherever you are. Freely's claims process is simple and hassle-free, offering quick reimbursement for covered expenses. The platform is easy to use and provides access to a 24/7 support team, so you can always get assistance in case of emergencies. Additionally, Freely's policies are designed to be affordable, with competitive pricing for both short and long-term travelers, giving you access to essential coverage without breaking the bank. Lastly, Freely's focus on providing coverage for remote workers is a significant advantage. Many standard travel insurance providers overlook the specific needs of people working abroad, but Freely addresses this gap, offering insurance that supports both your personal and professional travel needs. Overall, Freely Travel Insurance is a solid choice for frequent travelers and digital nomads who need flexible, affordable, and reliable coverage. For more information, check the description below for links to get started.